What is a funnel? It is the marketing and sales process. You or someone you hire. Did you get that? Let's go one more time. It is the marketing and sales process that you or someone you hire sets up to take someone from not knowing you exist to knowing, caring, and buying from you. Let me say it one more time. It is the marketing and sales process. You or someone you hire sets up to take someone from not knowing you exist or caring to knowing, caring, and buying. Now that's a long journey, right? It takes us back to a what? Customer journey. What is the customer journey that takes someone from I don't know you exist? You're over here excited. Oh boy, I got this, I'm gonna kill them with it. But they don't know you have it. So the first part of your strategy is how do I get them to know that I exist? That's the first step of a funnel. That's what traffic is all about. That's what social media is all about. The first step of a funnel is awareness. Now let's go real ghetto with it. Here's how we're going to kick it. Where my lady at? I can't even use her in the example. So, fellas, let's say you at the mall, you at the club, wherever you are, and you see somebody like, man, shawty is bad. The first thing that just happened was awareness and attraction. That's the first step of a funnel. I'm aware that she exists, and I'm attracted to what I see. If you are not thinking about the first step of your process, awareness and attraction, that's what many of you are. Most people are not aware of you, and the way that your content is presented, they are not attracted to you. You can't progress a funnel. This is why I tell people don't run ads initially. Why? You ain't aware, not enough people are aware, and you don't have content that's attractive enough to move them forward, so you're going to waste a lot of money. So if we're drawing this out, the first step, all we did with the mob was take the traditional 4 steps of a funnel and added a 5th step that makes relationships better. The same way that a natural relationship progresses is how a natural business relationship progresses. I'm going to say it again. The same process of a natural relationship is the same way a business relationship progresses. So what is a funnel? It's that customer journey. Your strategy to take someone from not knowing or caring to loving and buying from you. Now, there's a lot in the middle of that. Overcoming their objection, nurturing the relationship, building trust, committing an offer. So let's walk through the 5 steps. You with me? Yes, yes? What's the first step? Now we're going to keep with the relationship example. Awareness. Awareness, that's step 1. Now in our context, we call it client attraction. Number 1 is client attraction. Client attraction, client attraction, client attraction. Let's paint the picture. Charity, where you at? Let's paint the picture really quick. Okay, so I'm going to use Selena. Oh, come here real quick. So, let's say that this is client attraction. I don't know she exists. She from Canada. I'm from Florida. Lynn Haven to be exact. Shout out to my partners from 1303. Right? Now, she in the world minding her business. I'm in the world minding my business. The first thing that I need before I can be attracted is awareness of the fact that she exists. There's 4.3 billion active internet users. How do you become the one? 4.3 billion. How do you become the one? Social media is the dating pool. They can like, double tap, and keep scrolling. They ain't married you yet. You free. Come on, fellas. You don't want to be saving nobody's phone. It's free hookah, free section, free lunch. Hey, what y'all doing tonight? They only hit you up. I mean, it's Friday. You're like, baby, Leroy, let's hang out in the day on Tuesday. No, I'm busy until Friday night. You want to hear opium? So awareness happens that I know she exists. Are you making a connection in business? Your overall strategy at the top of your funnel is client attraction. You spend a lot of money. This is the most expensive. Guess what all of us are doing? Who your real competition is social media. They want something, you want something. So you now are competing with all these people, and guess what we all competing for? Attention. Hey, look at me. Point, dumb real video. Point, dumb real video. Point, dumb real video. Right? Music going. Caption, 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 link in bio. New sounds. All we're trying to do is steal attention. Billboards, still attention. Everybody in the world know what the Super Bowl is. Why do they spend money on commercials? McDonald's been selling the same Big Mac for years. They never stop launching their client attraction process. McDonald's not even in the business of the same audience no more. That's why if you go into them, they converted it where it almost looks like Starbucks for coffee. Playgrounds gone. When I was a kid, we was on them dirty playgrounds. Why would they convert? Because the client attraction was better for people with coffee than it was for parents bringing their kids to eat them salty fries. The coffee makes more money, so the client attraction changed. $1 cup of coffee, they can now spend less because they make their own coffee beans. It created a new product for them in their business model, they PSSP. They sell it in the stores now. Water is all I need and coffee beans. How many people send coffee back at McDonald's? It's rare. But you're going to send that burger and them fries back. These fries cold. I told you a burger with no pickles. I told you no mustard. So they increase their revenue by shifting their client attraction. Is anybody getting this? There ain't nothing more expensive than you marketing to the wrong customers. So, awareness. Now I found out I'm aware. What determines if the relationship progresses? Attraction. The first two things in your funnel is the awareness that you exist. This is why you run ads. This is why you take what Mahdi said and post content. This is why you should be using Reels and TikTok. Why those two? They have the highest ability to get awareness to you quickly and cheap. Free. Reels and TikTok give you free awareness. The strategy for the content ain't to make money, it's for the awareness. Are we capturing this? So we're just going through these steps. Awareness. That goes to attraction. But if I'm, come here really quick. So if I'm attracted and I spit G, excuse me, I got it. If I spit G and start, that's game for some of y'all that don't know. If I spit G on her and start talking that talk, hey, excuse me, Miss Lady. Now, if I holler at her, have a good time, hang out, and say, I hope to run into you again, I now spend all of my time in client attraction, but I don't move to the second step of the funnel, which is client capture. Write it down. Step 2, client capture. This is the mile process. I'm going to walk you through all 5 steps. Client capture. The relationship can't progress if you stay in awareness and client attraction. The only way it progresses is if you ask for, hey, let me get your number and take you out sometime. I state my intention and ask for a way to continue the relationship. This is why you hear people saying, click the link in my bio, free this, to progress the relationship. To take it from the dating pool of the 3-second rule, where on the internet you got 3 seconds to get to attract people and get them to like, comment, but how do I get them from really quickly from attraction to start the dating process? I got to get you to lead a dating pool of social media. Are y'all capturing that? So client capture, go through that quick. 2, I want to write them all, client capture. This is right here. Oh, let me just write capture. Capture. Now, can anybody guess what the 3rd step is? Huh? Date. It's the natural progression of a relationship. It's the natural progression of a business relationship. That's how we built the system of the mob. So if I'm aware and I'm attracted and I capture and get your number, let me get your number, girl. What am I doing next? For the relationship to progress, I need to do what? Date you. You want to, good morning, beautiful. That's a form of dating. I need to tell you about me, ask questions, and get to know you. That's how you automate your email and your text messaging. You're progressing the relationship. But here go the dope part. You're dating the whole social media. Because every day my content moves me from awareness to attraction to capture to dating. While I'm sitting here chilling with you, I'm still dating people on the internet. I'm moving all these people. How many people are here? I don't even know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took all of y'all from attraction to capture to dating to proposal, something you can buy, to marriage. We've been married. You've been with me since my first 2015. You've been dating me for 6 years. were married to me for 6 years because at the time I was offering something totally different. So the ability for her to be married to my business at every level of it. All right, so the third step is dating. This is where we automate the communication for them to continue to hear from us. This is a funnel, ladies and gentlemen, in the simplest way. This is the mob. All we did was take the old way, which was just 4 steps. Now, the problem with the old way of those 4 steps is that it moved too fast. And that client attraction didn't remain through the whole relationship. So people kept spending money to keep acquiring new customers instead of maintaining the customer. This is the problem with most of our business models now. We try to go from attraction, let me say it this way, 4th step. What do y'all think the 4th step after dating is? Proposal. So what would that be in your business? Propose an offer that they can buy. Instead of asking for their hand in marriage, you're asking for their money in business. That's a big commitment for somebody to marry you, but it's also a big commitment for somebody to exchange money from you. So a proposal is step 4. What do y'all think step 5 is? Who said it? Marriage. These are the 5 steps. This is the mob, ladies and gentlemen. The monetized online business blueprint, a 5-step marketing and sales process.